The Supreme Court of India upheld the use of electronic voting machines over paper ballots, rejecting pleas for paper ballot revival and increased verification. Concerns over blind distrust and electoral integrity were addressed, with suggestions for enhanced EVM security measures and candidate requested verifications. The second phase of the Lok Sabha elections in 88 constituencies across 13 states saw a turnout of nearly 61%, with incidents ranging from peaceful polling to sporadic disturbances and complaints, including cases of violence, vandalism of voting equipment, and electoral malpractice. The Supreme Court's reaffirmation of trust in electronic voting machines and rejection of demands for extensive verification underscores ongoing debates over electoral integrity and the role of technology in ensuring transparent voting processes in India. The Supreme Court of India's recent reaffirmation of trust in electronic voting machines and rejection of demands for extensive verification of paper trails underscores the judiciary's confidence in the electoral process, despite lingering apprehensions and suggestions for technological enhancements to ensure transparency and impartiality. The Supreme Court clarified that the process of entering symbols into voter verifiable paper audit trail units, distinct from uploading software, is safeguarded against malicious interference, addressing concerns raised by petitioners regarding the integrity of the electoral process. In its recent ruling, the Supreme Court of India affirmed the integrity of electronic voting machines over paper ballots, highlighting their effectiveness in curbing electoral malpractices like booth capturing. The court emphasized the impossibility of pre-programming EVMs for fraudulent purposes and underscored the numerous advantages of EVMs, including enhanced security, reduced invalid votes, and streamlined administrative processes. In response to a plea, the Supreme Court has asked the Election Commission to address concerns regarding constituencies where none of the above receives a majority of votes, advocating for uniform rules across states regarding the treatment of nota in elections. An analysis by scientists at the India Meteorological Department reveals an alarming decrease in the quantity of economically convertible solar radiation in various Indian locations, attributed to factors like increased aerosol load and clouding. Chinese President Xi Jinping emphasizes partnership over rivalry with the United States during a meeting with U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken in Beijing, stressing cooperation, mutual success, and avoiding harm to each other.